Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Darian if you're new here. And today I'm packing for the Grand Tour of Ireland with EF Ultimate Break. So let's see what I'm packing.
Starting off strong, I have all my bottoms with some leggings, sweatpants, 2 pairs of jeans, one light, one dark, 2 pairs of trousers, a skirt that is silky, and a skirt. Then I have all my socks, all my undergarments, my 2 bras, some scarves and hats and gloves to keep warm, and then I have all my tops. So I have my going out tops like bodysuits, and then I have some sweaters for throughout the day and my leather jacket. Also, I want to make sure to pack everything in packing cubes, and don't forget your passport. So I like to put mine in a cover. Also, I'll link all this stuff below. And to make sure everything fits, I put my second winter jacket in some compressible bags, along with a baggie for all my toiletries so nothing spills. And then don't forget, of course, since we're going out of the country, we need to make sure that we have an adapter so we can charge our stuff. Next, for my carry-on, I use this travel backpack where I like to put my notebook. I like to use my ring light in here as well, and my camcorder just for some extra filming. I always like to add an extra pair of clothes and some toiletries just so I can feel fresh and clean. And here goes my book too, followed by my jewelry, a COVID test, and all my makeup so I can get ready right when I get to my destination. Some things not featured are my umbrella, my portable charger, my charger. Here's what's in my purse. I really recommend putting your headphones, sunglasses, pill containers in here, as well as any hand sanitizer and your passport. Now that you've seen mostly everything from my packing list, I will link below the list that I have posted on my blog so you can have this list handy and ready for you whenever you go to pack. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow.